All right, so now I'm going to show you how to create content within those modules in the Google Classroom Learning Management System. So the first thing is you'll go over to the Classwork tab. Then you'll hit the blue Create button at the top with the plus sign. This will give you a drop-down menu of options for what type of content that you would like to classify it as. So I'm just going to pick the top one here. We'll say I'm creating an assignment here. So it automatically takes me here to this section where I have to name this assignment. So I'm going to say this is creating content in a module. You can include instructions, they're all there. Over here on the right is the point value that you want to give for, since it's an assignment, you can give it a point value. Due date as well, I'll keep it as no due date, but the topic I am going to change. I'm going to put this in the week number 2 materials there. And then I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can do. First one is how to create one. So if I just click the create button, I have a few different options: docs, slides, sheets, drawings, and forms, and videos. These are all Google programs. I'll just create a doc first, and it'll automatically take me to this new tab. So I can change the title up here in the top left. Title for sample assignment. Then I can just type the text here, and so on and so forth in that Google Doc. If I go back to the Google Classroom tab, it automatically saves that document because it is a Google Doc. Then all I have to do is hit assign, and it'll pop up right there in the center under week number 2 materials. Now another option is to upload an image. So same idea, I'm in the Classwork tab. I just click this create button, and then let's say I don't want to call this an assignment. I just want to call this material, since it's just a picture that maybe the students need to reference later. So I'll say I'm going to call this science image. Then you'll notice there's less things. Since it's material, it's not going to be graded. I'm still going to have to select my topic. I'm going to once again put it in the week number 2 materials. Then instead of create, I can click upload. Now upload takes me to this section. Now the thing about Google programs is they are all connected through Google Drive. So if I go over here to my drive, I should be able to see all my files and everything like that. So maybe I just want to go to recent and click this test image here because I know that's the one that I want to upload. There's my sample title for the Google Doc back there, but I'm going to add my test image there, and you'll see it pops up in the center of the screen. And then once I'm ready, all I have to do is click the post icon up here in the top right. And there it is once again. The material is created and it is under the week 2 materials, right under or right above that content I created earlier.